email that does include the marketing kit. So in this case, yes, still photos are ready, and website is ready. So in this case, here's, because of the website, now it's going to have a actual property website. So you still have the owner preview page, but now you have the property website, branded and unbranded. So branded is more than likely what you're going to want to use. Here, I'll just show you that real fast. Basically, you want to make sure you've got all of your branding set up, and it have your info, and you can change these. There's actually different website templates that you can utilize for all of this stuff. Let's see. But all of this stuff is in there, and you can go through and view things, so on and so forth. Okay, so and then of course on the floor plan, I didn't do it on this one, but I can actually put little circles to kind of show images as to what's where, that kind of thing. But anyways, let me jump back up here for a second. Okay, so that's the property website, and the marketing kit is the other thing. So like I said, this is the email when the marketing kit is done in advance. So then it would take you to the marketing kit. So now it is ready, and just kind of like before it gave you a bunch of previews so you could actually see what stuff is looking like. In this case, you can actually jump right in there and start working on stuff. So if you wanted to edit it, now you can actually come in, and like in these ones, there's actually multiple pages on them, but you can come in and you can change all kinds of stuff on these things. You can add stuff. You got options over here on the side. You can change the text. There's so many things you can do. But back to the email. So the other thing too is if you've got your social media stuff linked, so you want these all set up, and again, there's your referral code and things like that. So it's just a little bit more whenever there's already a marketing kit purchased. You'll get the marketing kit and the property website stuff, and then social media links, all that stuff will be there, which is not there if you do not have the marketing kit in advance.